Hi guys, it's Madness Makeup here, aka Caitlin. So it has been quite a bit of a while and a lot of things have changed since then. But yeah, I just got some new stuff from Colourpop that I'm gonna be using today. And then I actually bought stuff previously as well, so I'm probably gonna make like a video with that. Um, but yeah, I'm excited to be back and I'm excited to see you guys. Oh, this is my cat. Okay. Yes, but I'm gonna get right into it. I don't have my little clicker with me today, so bear with me. Okay, so I'm so excited. Alright, so I did a thing. And I ordered the Bratz, not only the palette, but I ordered all of the lippies, but I'm just gonna use one in this video. That'd be so cute. Yeah, so each dog gets their own lippy basically. And then let me show you the palette. There's not like a specific lippy I'm drawn to, so I'm gonna kind of see what I'm gonna do with my eyeshadow here. These are gorgeous. I'm really drawn to the blues today, because I don't think I've done blue in a while. And they're so pretty, gosh. Okay. Yeah, so I'm excited to use that and the lippies. And then let's see. I also bought these. So I'm really excited because I feel like I don't have a lot of cool tone palettes. I feel like this is my like one true cool tone one. So I feel like I have a lot of warm tone palettes. Yeah, Colourpop does her thing. So I'm also excited to use that, but I'll do that for another video there. Yeah. So I actually have another product that I also bought from Colourpop. They've just been who I've been buying from because they're just so cheap and stuff. And it's nice because like I'm on a budget, so yeah. But I'm gonna do my face makeup and then I'll be back with my liquid cheek clear. So yes, my liquid. So around Valentine's Day, and I'm gonna show you some other stuff I bought from Colourpop that I'm gonna do another video with because I bought quite a bit. I bought this, and then it comes in like a set of 3, so there's a darker one and then like a more in between one. This is like the lightest color, so it's called Heart's Content. Yeah, it's super cute though. I love it. So all you have to do is dip your brush in there, and then, so it's cream. So just blend it that way. I did some liquid contour as well, and then I'm gonna go, I don't have a liquid bronzer, so if you guys have any suggestions, let me know, because I like to try new things. Yeah, I think that's a nice color there. It's a natural. These are the other stuff I got from Colourpop. I bought the purple palette and the one in my last video, which I absolutely adore. It's like one of my favorite palettes. So I bought that one. So yeah, I can't wait to use it. It's like purple and pink and it's really pretty. And then because I've been a lifelong Twilight fan since it came out. I actually haven't read the books, which I'm usually like a book person. Look how beautiful that is. Yes, look at that green. I love it. It's like wait. It looks really lime green on camera for some reason, or a little brighter. It's probably because of the ring light, but yeah, they're really pretty, so I can't wait to do a video with that too. But yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then I'll be back with the eyeshadow again there. Oh, I hear like a ring. I just love it. So I love it. I don't know if I want to use neutral ones with the blue, because I just don't think they look right. But yeah, you could definitely create colorful looks with this palette or neutral looks. What's nice is that they also have like a black in here. That's really good for going out looks. Oh, that's pretty. And that's the shade Yasmin. Oh, that's nice. Alright. So then I'm gonna take a brush like this from BH Cosmetics. And I'm gonna drip, so I used Yasmin and then I'm gonna use Jade right there. Trust the process, this might look a little cray-cray. Okay. Actually really nice. I'm just gonna blend those two colors. Like a little blending brush there. I don't really feel the need to do a cut crease, so I'm just gonna do a cheater one today. But I'm gonna go in with Chloe there. That beautiful shade. I really like Sasha's too. It's a really pretty gold glitter. Ooh, that's beautiful. It's like a really icy blue. I'm sorry, that's my cat. Cleo. Sometimes you just gotta let them do what they want to do. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with, I was thinking about the gray shade, but I think I'm gonna go in with the black shade. Tomorrow we're celebrating my Thanksgiving, because my schedule is a little funky. I work full-time in retail right now. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is put that like that. And just make sure this looks good. I'm kind of using my phone as the mirror. Oh wow! Damn, very smoky. I actually really like this. Okay. Honestly, I'm gonna just leave it how it is. See, I really like cool tones because I feel like a lot of the times I wear a lot of warm tones. See if I could do my eyeliner and mascara on camera. Probably would just be better if I did it with a mirror. I wear contacts, but I'm still really blind. Okay, so you can kind of see what I'm doing there. That's the kind of shape I'm going for, but I'm gonna add to it there. I'm not mad. Alright, I forgot a crucial part. So I'm gonna use the shade Passion for Fashion right there in my inner corner and in my brow bone there. That's pretty. Beautiful. I think I'm gonna use Yasmin's there. Usually not a lip liner girl, I only have like a few lip liners. So that's why I kind of got these, was to like, oh beautiful. Oh. Was to venture out that way. So these are the shades Pretty Princess. I'm gonna come real up close for you. Love lip crayons. Ooh, I love like lip stuff that smells really good. It smells like cookies. Ooh. No, that's nice. Sorry, my lips are a little dry. That reminds me to use my Colourpop, or my Bath and Body Works lip mask. Okay. That's pretty. Ooh, I really like that. Yeah, these are nice because I feel like they're more on the neutral side. And I like doing that with like my more like colorful eyeshadow looks there. I love this. I also love the everything Colourpop made. I even used one of their highlighters. Yeah, and these are really cute and they smell really good, so I love it. Alright, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye!